Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the symbiote Toxin. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Toxin, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to begin by making a little line. It's just going to kind of curve up like this. And we'll do the same thing over here, leave a little space and kind of curve it up. Next, I'm going to bring this down and over for the eye. And same thing here, bring this down and then connect it for the eye. Starting here, I'm going to curve this out on each side. Then I'm going to bring this line kind of down and then up here, so it kind of looks like a creepy smile. Next, right around here, I'm going to bring this line up and around and then connect it to here. And same thing here, kind of bring this up and around and then connect it to here. Then right in between here, we're going to add a couple little lines for some details. And a couple lines under here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and then we're just going to bring it down here. Now for the teeth, we're going to make long, sharp, pointed teeth by making these like little kind of skinny V shapes. Then we're going to make a little line that comes down and up. And we're going to add some more sharp teeth down here. For the tongue, we're just going to curve a line that goes around here. We're going to make it nice and skinny, and then we're going to bring it back, and we're going to make it nice and big as it comes back. Let's curve a line down here. We're going to bring a line down and in, and a line that's going to go down and in. And we're going to bring this line down and up. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side. Then we're going to curve a line for the shoulder on each side. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and in for part of the chest, and same thing here, down and in. Then we're going to make this line come down and in here, and then same thing, down and in. We're going to make a line that's going to go out and in for the hips, and then out and in. Then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come out for the knee, and then we're going to go straight down. Same thing here, we're going to come out for the knee, and then we're going to go straight down. Next, we're going to make this line come down to a point for one of the toes, and same thing here, just kind of come out, go down to a point, and bring it up for one of the toes. And then we're going to add a few more on here. And then same thing here, we're just going to add a few more kind of pointed little toes. We're going to bring this up and in, and then same thing here, we're going to bring this up and in. I want to bring this line up and then angle it in. Same thing here, up and then angle it in. And we're just going to curve a line across. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down with a curve, and I'm going to bring this line down with a curve. Then we're going to bring this line out and down, and same thing here, out and then down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down to a point, and then up. Another line down to a sharp curved point and up for these fingers. And we're going to do another one right here, big sharp point and then up. Let's do the same thing on this side. We're going to come down to a point and up, down to a point and up, down to a point and then up. We're going to bring this line down to a point and around, Same thing here, we're going to curve this line down to a point and around. Then we're going to bring this line up and then kind of curve it in. We're going to bring this line up and in and then curve it in. Now we got our basic shape for our toxin. Now we want to come in here and add some of the different details. So one of the things we want to do is let's start kind of up here and we'll add some details. So let's begin by just drawing a line that's going to come in and a line here. We're going to make a line down and kind of bring these lines in here. We're going to make a couple little curved lines over here for the ribs. And we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then a couple curved lines across here. We're going to make some broken lines kind of right around where the bicep would be. And then a couple curved lines right here by the knee. Do some little bumps here. And then a couple little lines kind of right around here for some detail on the legs. Now, we're going to kind of make this kind of like weird, almost like kind of slime look to here. So we're just going to make this kind of like wavy, little kind of broken line that's going to go down and up the arm. We're going to make these really wavy, kind of go in different directions. And then we can even put like some little kind of like curved line, oval shapes on here to kind of make it look like it's not all the way connected in all the different spots. We're also going to do this right along here too on the chest. We're just going to kind of make this on the torso, these kind of wavy little lines. Then I'm just going to add a couple more little lines kind of on the head, and then just a few more lines kind of right around some areas on the hands and on the body, just kind of make some more detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of Toxin from Venom. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.